What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can see anyone's private account on Instagram. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Instagram account. After that you have to click on search and you have to find the person's account, private account that you wanna see. So there is two options guys, that you have to follow the guy, or otherwise you have to make another account and follow them from the fake ID and fake account. Then you can see their post. So Instagram doesn't add a new feature that you can how you can see private account. So there is the two options, that option number one is you can follow them and to see their post. Otherwise you have to create a fake account, then you have to follow them from that. After that you can see their post. So this is the only way guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.